Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how the stopwatch works on a Casio F91W. So first of all, hit the mode button until we work our way over to stopwatch. And in its simplest form, it's just a case of starting it here and stopping it here. You can start it again and stop it. And you can do this as many times as you want, and then you reset it by hitting this top left button. Now, if you want to do the lap feature, we start it here, and let's say after 3 seconds, we hit the lap. It's still running in the background now. So it's still running now, even though it's stationary here. When we hit this button again, you can see it's still running there. And we can do that again. It's still running in the background now. And when we turn it back on, it's probably going to be around about 20 seconds, like so. And then we can reset it. And a nice feature is where we can do first and second place. So let's say now 100-meter sprint starts running now. And imagine they're super quick, and the first one finishes now. That's the time of the first person, but it's still going in the background now. Now the second person finishes. So this will be the first person's time, and then if we hit this one, that is the second person's time. So it's quite useful to get the first and second time. So let me just do that little feature again there. So they start the race now, and the first person finishes now, and the second person finishes now. And then you write down that for the first person, hit this one, and that will be the second person's time. Nice and straightforward. And that is back to normal. Thanks for watching.